AV Live and Luxor with another informative video. Mike, today we're looking at the AVJ42C. What are the features of this product?
Bill, this is an all-steel adjustable height cabinet. It adjusts from 26 to 42 inches, features a 3-outlet electrical, and a locking steel cabinet. It comes in 5 different colors, and it's made in the USA.
And of course, a lifetime warranty.
Absolutely, lifetime warranty on all Luxor products.
Let's take a look at how easy it is to assemble.
We're now going to show how easy the AVJ42C is to assemble. To assemble the AVJ42C, you'll need a drill with a Phillips driver and a crescent wrench. Your first step is take the main unit, the cabinet, and insert the casters. You have 2 locking brakes, 2 non-locking brakes with the unit. You want to make sure that you put the non-locking on the same side and locking on the same side. Again, you take the caster, drop it into the tube, just put pressure to slide it in. Next, turn the unit on its back so that the cabinet door is facing up. Make sure that the logo on your top is also facing the same side as the cabinet door. The best way to mount this top is to make sure that you have the unit turned on its side. Don't try to assemble the top with it based on the floor and then sliding it. It's much simpler to have this and just let it slide into the rails. Set it to the height that you want to get it at. This will adjust from 26 to 42 inches. Take the bolt provided, the locking nut. You'll want to open your cabinet door. Insert the screw into the hole after you've lined it up. By hand, tighten down the screw. Take your Allen wrench, put it on to the threaded nut to hold it in place. Press it down. Rotate the cabinet. Open the door again. Line up your holes. Pick your screw and your nut. By hand, thread it onto the screw. Use your crescent wrench to hold the nut into place. Take your drill, fasten it down. For the last one, this will require 2 people to do. Insert the screw. Insert the screw into your hole. While one person uses the crescent wrench to hold the nut, the second person will have to come in and drive the screw into place. Next, we'll attach the electrical assembly using the screw and the wing nut. Line your electrical assembly up, drive the screw through the electrical assembly and through the back of the slot on the electrical cord wrap. Insert into the hole on the side shelf. Fasten down the wing nut. Repeat it for the second one. Use your rubber mat to cover the top. And that's your assembly on the AVJ42C.
Mike, we just saw how easy it was to put together the Luxor and H. Wilson product line. Is there a phone number and email for pre-sales tech support with your firm?
Yeah, Bill, they can call 1-800-323-4656, or they can email sales@luxorfern.com. That's Fern, F-U-R-N.
And we can't forget about that unlimited lifetime warranty on all the products.
That's correct, Bill. All Luxor products and H. Wilson products offer a full lifetime warranty.
And of course, you can always contact AV Alive at 877-387-5464, or you can email us at quote, Q-U-O-T-E, at avalive.com. The product you just watched is available for sale here at the hyperlink underneath the YouTube video as well. Thanks for watching.